Super value 120 count. Enough for your spare or replacement. GOSICUKA hair elastic is 3 mm in thickness, 2 inches in diameter, which is perfect to hair types from medium to thick. GOSICUKA hair elastic can be stretched easily and resume quickly, which can hold your hair tightly while working, sporting or playing. GOSICUKA hair elastic can be stretched to 10.6, which is higher about 25% of elasticity than ordinary products. GOSICUKA hair ties, soft, no crease elastic provide secure hold without damage. Top reviews from the United States. Way better than expected. I don't know what I expected of 120 hair ties, but I'm set. They are good quality too. I haven't had one even snap on me yet, so I don't even know what that is like. They stretch across thin and thick hair well.